welcome to your own channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. Now, you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel School Studies. So here is the answer. You will get daily one video related to different subjects. It will help you and your child understand the topic easily. In your channel, there are videos related to subjects like English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. So today we will see video related to the mathematics subject. In that today's topic is Roman numerals. 4 basic principles for reading and writing Roman numerals. The first one is a letter repeats its value after many times. For example, triple X. So 1x value is 10, 3x is 30. Double C. So 1 value is 100. So 2c equals to 200, etc. A letter can only be repeated 3 times. If one or more letters are placed after another letter of greater value, add that amount. For example, if 5 is here and 1 is after 5, then we will add this amount. So 5 plus 1 is 6. L, X, X. L is 50, X is 10, X is 10. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 is 70. M, C, C. So M is 1000, C is 100 and C is 100. So 1000 plus 100 plus 100 is 1200. If a letter is placed before another letter of greater value, subtract that amount. For example, if 1 is placed before 5, then we will subtract this. So 5 minus 1 is 4. XC. So 100 minus 10 is 90. CM. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. Several rules apply for subtracting amounts from Roman numerals. Only subtract power of 10. For example, 95, do not write VC, that is 100 minus 5. Do write XCV, that is XC plus 5 or 90 plus 5. Only subtract one number from another. For 13, do not write 11x5, that is 15 minus 1 minus 1. Do write x3, 1, that is x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 10 plus 3. Do not subtract a number from one that is more than 10 times greater. That is, you can subtract 1 from 10, but not 1 from 20. There is no such number as 1xx. For 99, do not write 1c, c minus 1 or 100 minus 1. Do write xcix. So xc equals to 190, 1x equals to 9. A bar placed on top of a letter or string of letters increases the numeral's value by 1000 times. For example, XV. So XV is 15, X is 10, V is 5. So XV is 15. We have put in the bar on X and V. So that is 1000 times. So 15,000 is the answer. Now few rules and few tricky things to know when using Roman numerals. The first rule, just say that you add letters or numbers if they come after a bigger letter or number. The 5 is less than the x, so we added it to the number. Then 1 has less than the 5, so we added it to the number. We will discuss what happens when a letter of greater values come after a letter of lesser value in rule 3. The second rule is that you can't put more than 3 letters together in a row. For example, you can put 3 ones together, that is 3, to make a 3, but you can't put 4 ones together to make a 4. How do you make a 4 then? See rule number 3. In a symbol, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. For example, 1, 1. So that is 2. XX, that is 20, and so on. The symbol X, L, and D are never repeated. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. If a smaller symbol is written to the right of a symbol with greater value, then its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. If a smaller symbol is written on the left of the symbol with greater value, then its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. The symbols V, L, and D are never written to the left of the symbol of greater value. That is, V, L, and D are never subtracted. The symbol 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M, and C only. A symbol cannot be subtracted more than once from a particular symbol of greater value. In other words, we can not repeat a symbol on the left side of the symbol. For example, 98 is written as XC5 V and 111 and not as 11C. Questions related to the Roman numerals. Convert the following numerals to the Roman numerals. So these are some values which we have to convert into Roman numeral. That is 69, 98, 109, 786, 1298, 2018. So let's see the answer. So 69. So we can write 69 as 60 plus 9. That is 50 plus 9. 50 plus 10 plus 9. So its Roman numeral is LX plus 1X equals to LX1X. Same way, the answers for the remaining sums are here. You can solve it and check the answers in this slide. The second question is, convert 1984 to the Roman numerals. So we can write 1984 as 1000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 4. Then 1000 is M, 900 is CM, 80 is L, XXX, 4 is 1 V. Hence the in Roman letters 1984 is MCML, then XXX, 1V. The next question, what does 1V stand for? 1V represents the number 4. This is followed by V, which stands for 5. After 5 comes a series of addition like 51, 52, 53, and so on. So 51, 52, 53 stands for the number 6, 7, and 8 respectively. Next is, explain what do the Roman numeral letters stand for. Roman numerals refer to a combination of letters like 1, V, X, L, C, D, and M. Furthermore, the use of these letters takes place in various orders to stand for a particular number. For example, the Roman numeral 1x means 9. What are the Roman numerals that can never be subtracted? The symbols 1, V, L, and D are not written to the left of the symbol that has greater value. This means that V, L, and D are never subtracted. The symbol 1. Subtraction can take place from 1, V, and X only. The symbol X subtraction can take place from L, M, and C only. Express 1 trillion in Roman numeral. So 1 trillion refers to a M multiplied by 1000 into 1000 into 1000. That is 1000 into 3. A bar over a Roman numeral shows equality to that numeral represented by 1000. So this was all about Roman numerals, some tricks and things to know about the Roman numerals. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in the comment section if you have any, or you can mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. If you want videos related to any particular topic or subject, then feel free to suggest us. You can also follow the channel School Studies on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.